So there are many sampling techniques, though only 4 will be presented here in this particular course. The simplest and the type that is strived for is something called a simple random sample. This is where you pick the sample such that every sample has the same chance of being chosen. This type of sample is actually hard to collect since it's sometimes difficult to obtain a complete list of all the individuals in the population. There are many cases where you cannot conduct a truly random sample. However, you can get as close as you can. Now suppose you are interested in what type of music people like. It might not make sense to try to find an answer for everyone in the United States. You probably don't like the same music as your parents. The answers vary so much you probably couldn't find an answer for everyone all at once. It might make sense to look at people in different age groups or people of different ethnicities, and this is called a stratified sample. The issue with this sample type is that sometimes people subdivide the population too much. It's best to just have one stratification. Also, a stratified sample has similar problems that a simple random sample has. If your population has some order in it, then you could do what's called a systematic sample. This is popular in manufacturing, where things are like coming off an assembly line. The problem is that it's possible to miss a manufacturing mistake because of how the sample is taken. If you're collecting a polling data based on location, another type of sampling that's used is a cluster sample that divides the population based on geographic means would be the easiest sample to conduct. The problem is that if you are looking for opinions of people, and people who live in the same region may have similar opinions. So many times some combination of sampling, different sampling techniques are used. So as you can see, each of the sampling techniques have some pros and cons. So again, in this course we are mainly going to focus on simple random samples, and we are going to use this abbreviation capital S, capital R, capital S for a simple random sample. So this is a sample that is selected from a population in a way that ensures that every possible sample of size n has the same chance of being selected. Also, every individual associated with the population has the same chance of being selected.